Hello everyone. Well, today I have this ISEO and it is made in Italy, and the key says made in Italy. I gotta put one of the glasses on here. Okay, made in Italy, and it's got a bunch of numbers on there. Okay. And here's the bidding on the key. Now, this is a foot long, as you can see. Love them euros, huh? So one side, the key won't go in all the way. Oops, sorry about that, guys. The key won't go in all the way. I've played with it. So I'm going to take it apart. This side, the key works just fine, goes in really well, but I don't know why it won't go in all the way. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick both sides, and I'm going to take it apart. What are you doing, Ruby? Huh? You being a stinker? Hey. Starting moaning at me already. It's getting late. So I'm going to try picking both sides, gutting both sides, and find out what's the problem with this side. See if we can get it to work. I have picked both sides, by the way. So I'm going to pick the good side first, and then I'll pick this side, and then I might be able to just go with a, I don't know if I'll follow her that long, but we'll use the shoe on it and stuff. So here we go. So if I can get this open. Sitting here looking at me. What are you doing, really? Huh? Okay, I got a little click out of 3. Go lay down, baby. Come on. Go lay down. That's a good girl. Starts in on me at this time of night. She'll want me to go get in bed, and I'll go get in bed, and then she'll be outside. Crazy little thing. Don't know which pick I used. Felt a little something back there. Okay. Got number 4 to give me a little click. Number 3 went in. I have no idea what kind of pins are in here. This lock was sent to me by Chris Ahrens. He sent me some great locks. Okay, number 5, give me a click. And I got a alt set going on, so that tells me there's got to be spools in here. See if I can find something else to open this guy up. I think this one right here. I'm going to click. I thought maybe you'd open it up, but it didn't. Sitting on the fence or over, pick something. Do a little nudging around for a while. See if we can get something to talk to us. You can see, okay. I'm in my own little world here. Can't wait to find out what's in here and why that other side won't let the key in. doesn't have a spine on it. Clip back there. Okay, I'm going to try this pick here. And that number. There we go. Okay, so we got this side. So I'm going to take the clip off of here. I hope. Can get in there. Want that to end up turning on me. So, gotta be careful. See if I can get this thing to down in there deep enough to push that apart. Some of these clips are very difficult to get out. Okay, I think I got it opened up enough to pull it out. Let's see here. I know I've got something to grab a hold of this with somewhere. I just had it a while ago. Must have ate it. To use these. Okay. Hopefully I didn't destroy that. Too bad. I'll beat it back and get it straightened out again. It's stuck in there good too. Oh boy. There. For heaven's sakes. Okay. I'm gonna use this tray for this side. And that other side looks like they clipped one off of it before. Okay, gotta get my goodies out and see which ones are gonna fit. Wondering if this one's too long or not long enough. I don't know. One I think is just a little thicker. We'll see what we can do with it. Okay, so I'm going to turn this up like that. Put my little goodie in there. I don't know if this is going to be long enough. Yeah, it is. Perfect. Okay, so we got that little gizmo in there, huh? So now the pins are going to be up here, so we got to turn it upside down and hold it, and then pull out the core. Here we go, right there. It's a long guy, it's only 5-pinner. Okay, I'm going to set that right there, and put the key pins in the tray. And we'll see what's upstairs. These look like they're standard pins. I don't know if they have any doubles or not. They have to eyeball them a little better. Okay, and I need tweezers. Bring this light in a little better. Okay, rotate these around, look at them, see if there's anything unusual about them. They don't look completely flat, they look kind of domed. I don't see really any significant double on it or anything like that. Okay, and this guy was a surprise coming out there. Okay, so I'm going to set him right here, and let's get the top ones out, and which one's going to fit better. That one's too little. And I have an idea, this is the one right there. Okay, so I got that. Pull this guy out. And we're going to start turning. Wow. The one thing I don't like about the metal ones is when you try to look in there, it's too much of a reflection. Can't even really see. So anyway, I'm going to go this direction. Try to get to the first pin. I really think I like the 3D ones better because of the, it's like a mirror in there and it screws you up. Okay, here's the first one. And that's a nice spool. Okay, so that answers my question. Now the first one looks like it's got a copper spring. I'm just going to go for the pins right now. And one on down in there. Oh, no. He's down in there. There he is. Get another spool. What I did, it's all, well, that's a standard right there. Standard driver. So number 3 is standard. Another spool. And I can see it already, another spool. Okay, well that's pretty cool. Curious what would be in there. And I'm going to get these springs out so they don't get caught up. And the deal there. Technical talk in the deal. Okay. The other 3 are sitting right there. Here they go. Okay, so that's cylinder side that worked. Trying to get these 2 apart. Right there. Okay, so now I'm going to flip her over. I'm going to pick this side. And the actuator fell out. Put that right there. So I'm going to use my other 3D shoe to put everything back. Because, yeah, these are made well and work good, but you can't see in them when you put a light down in there where you can see where you're going. Screw you all up. Okay, let's get this side open. Hope I can do it now without making this video forever. Then I want to find out why the key won't take it. And I'll show you, this is the side. It won't go up towards the heel there. It just goes that far. So, I'm trying to find out why. There's a spring in there that's kind of, turn that off. If there's a spring that's wound up in there or something. Okay, here we go. So hopefully we'll get it working correctly back together. I won't make you sit through that. Add on to the video when I get it put back together again. Make sure it's all working good. Hopefully. real strange. Got a couple of pins to set, I think. Okay, got 12 set going on. The one's giving me counter rotation. I think I need a stronger pick. There. And then I probably overset that. Kind of slipped. I'll let it down a little bit. 1 click or so. I just screwed that up now. Lost my fault set. Double click out of 5, 4. I wonder if this was pinned to another key just for the heck of it. I don't know. Feels like one is set. There we go. Okay, let's get this guy open. Now this clip looks pretty loose, so maybe we'll get this one done pretty quickly. Find out what the problem is. Push that off without losing everything. Might be able to get a hold of it now. There we go. Okay, now. Stuff might fall out, you'd think, but pull that out just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and use the pinch and all that stuff. Okay. And this around. That. There we go. It's gonna loose. Okay, let's pull a core out. There goes that guy. And I'm going to take the key, put it in there, and it is the right key for this side, so why it wouldn't go in a while ago, that's pretty wild. Must be something up top. Something going on up top. I don't know. Well, hopefully we'll figure it out. Okay. These pins in here. Sure I'm in frame. Thought it'd be kind of weird if it had 2 different keys, but you never know. If somebody's made a challenge lock or what's happened. Mona down there on the floor looking at me. Lisa. Started moaning. Okay, so there's that one. And let's get the top ones out. Let's see how this does fit in there. I think I'll use this one. Okay, so I'm going to I'm not going to use this one. There we go. Just got a little hung up. Okay, here comes the first one. Yeah, you know, I really do like these 3D ones. Okay, there's a spool. Curious if they did both sides the same. If they did, number 3 will be standard. Yep, done them the same. Stuck in there. Here it is. Here comes the other one flying out. Okay, we've got one more right there. And get the springs out and see if they're all right. Those two look good. I'm gonna have to get my spring grabber. Just don't want to come out. It's okay. Didn't look like anything wrong with it. And here's another. And the last one. Well, I can't find anything wrong why the key would not go into the cylinder all the way. Isn't that the craziest? There's nothing that should have prevented it from going in. That is nuts. Okay, guys, whoops, sorry, kicking everything around. I'm going to show you both trays of pins, and like I said, the key pins are all standard, and then we've got 4 spools and a standard driver, and it's the same way in each one. And the side that was screwed up, wouldn't let the key go in, was on, you could tell it would have been used on the inside of the lock. Usually where it's the darkest, it's the outside, and it was on the inside. So here we are here. I'm going to put it back together and hopefully get it worked out. Maybe I'll figure out what it was, I don't know. Sometimes things just do make you crazy, I guess. Okay, thanks for joining me, and I'm going to go ahead and throw this lock back together. I won't pain you through it, and then I'll probably tack it on to the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and come back and see me soon. Bye-bye. Hi guys, well, just a quick update on this ISEO. I guess I don't know if I'm saying it right or not. It's ISEO. I've heard people pronounce it differently. Anyways, I took it all apart and played with it to see what was wrong, why the key wouldn't go in. And I guess what I've come up with, that this side's great, this is the outside. This side, I think that there is, like, it's out of round or something. But it does work now, so you just have to kind of mess with it and shove it in. But before I couldn't get it in at all. Anyway, so I took the actuator, the clips off, and all that stuff because we don't need it in lock sport. I put new clips in there, and it works better. Okay, that's it. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.